guys, what's up? I am Kharim, welcome to my world. A couple months ago I was at Playlist Live 2016 with my cousin Kemar and his wife Catherine. Meanwhile, being at Playlist Live, we got to meet with a lot of YouTubers, content creators, viners, and all sorts of people who has been making, an impact on social media, on the internet, doing their videos and thing. Me and my cousin Kemar, we're upcoming YouTubers, and if you have been like a viewer of my YouTube channel, then you would see where I try to put out contents every now and then. While at Playlist Live, we also did some vlogging. You can check our vlogs in the channel description below this video or using the info card. So yeah, meanwhile at Playlist Live, we got to learn a lot of positive things, and I'm going to share them with you. While at Playlist Live, I got to meet with Alex Mandel, and one of his greatest YouTube tips was to, continue uploading videos on a regular, because you don't know which one of your video is gonna, make you go viral. So that was an awesome tip. He says just continue to upload videos like every chance you get. He was telling me about one of his videos that got over 4 million views, and he was like saying he was like stopping an escalator using his feet. But he did that video and he uploaded it, and it got over 4 million hits. Another great lesson that I learned was from Roman Atwood. Roman Atwood says while vlogging, he used to be like, so afraid of like, people looking at him while in public, holding up his camera to his face and showing his viewers like things like those. But you gotta like overcome your shyness of the camera, fall in love with the camera, and just do your thing. Another great important lesson that I learned from those people at YouTube was to like, you got to be friendly with other people, make relationships, be social with other people while being a YouTuber, because that's what YouTube is all about. YouTube is like a community, so you have to like get together with other people, meet up with them, make videos, upload, support each other while making videos and things like those. And that will help you to like grow your YouTube channel. Another important lesson that I learned was to like always be ready to film. Always have your camera, always have your smartphone. You got to be ready to film, because you don't know when a moment will like arise where you need your camera and you don't have your camera to capture that moment. So those are the important lessons that I learned from Playlist Live 2016. And next year for Playlist Live 2017, I will be there, and I hope to see a lot of you guys there, whoever you are, supporting my YouTube channel. And I hope to grow my YouTube channel in a way so I can become one of those popular YouTubers in the future. So for now, thanks for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button, share my video, like it, thumbs up, and I'll talk to you at another time. Thank you.